find me by the water, waiting for the trumpet call. Oh, you see me like a stranger. Well, I've been waiting for the storm, singing amen, amen, amen.
Shall unlock the change. Adrenaline and rage, I may never change. Coming through my heart, dilute my pain. Compressing all the stress, asthma on my chest, running out of breath, they gon' know my name. Clear up out the mud, brush the dirt up off me. Going hard, hit them where it hurts, kill them softly. Bone stress, trying to clear my mind, even smokeless, hopelessness. But I'm in this shit, full-fledged, all reckless. Coming for your neck, no strap though. Running this shit, both legs, bro. Word around town that they coming for my head though. Funny thing about it, they don't know it's in my head though. Schizo, maniac, finna go klepto. So hands on, it's gonna hard for me to let go. Lego, my ego in the same boat. With a slow leak, screaming at the world till she prank up. 2 middle fingers to you all till I'm dead and gone.
Uno, dos, tres,
let's get ready to rumble! Let's get ready to rumble! Yeah, throw your hands up, throw your hands up, throw your hands up. Oh hell, oh hell!
Parece que vamos a poner abajo la bola, abajo la bola, abajo la bola, abajo la bola.
Where you at, where you at, where you at? Where you at, where you at? All they see is black venom in my silhouette. Just watch the fear reappear in their eyes when I hit the set. Oh no, Tupac routine types are seldom seen. Iron Mike cut his hair like a guillotine. Time for some action, you making me high like Tony Braxton. Bust the switching like Dennis Rodman, we still mashing. I put my hand up to God like it's hard filled with stress. Throwing blows in this square circle to see who's best. Mike don't hurt them, what they scream, wait, what they mean. Tyson put in work, his head touch the whole Coliseum. Better act up when I see him. We loud in the front row, hype up the crowd. If you don't like it, what you come for? All hail, 245 to fail the bed stop. Ass kicker, split the water like a shark. Still struggling. May God help me bubble, hit the ring, do my thing. All opposed feel trouble. We at now. We at now. We at now. We at now. You next. We at now. We at now. We at now. You next. Round two. Right, left, then left, right. I seen him stutter. Word. He didn't duck and got stuck with your uppercut. Now hear the crowd screaming. It's like they feeding. Oh, don't you love how that black man screaming? Keep it real. Tell Holyfield he next in line. So get his heart problem check before he step to mine. And Selden, I hardly know you. Don't bother me to show you. Let your head get gas by that fast promoter. Be real forever. So feel my lever in combinations. Connected like Dr. Doc. Steady formation, swift and deadly. Cause this be deadly. I'm a soldier, it's too late now. I tried to told you. We at now. 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 You next. We at now. We at now. We at now. You next. We at. Let's get ready to rumble. Yes. Let's get it on. So what you want? This ain't gonna last long. So what you want now?
We gon' watch some deep boys sitting there.
We So Tyson, I'm bringing your thing, boy. I'm bringing your thing. Let's get it on now. So what you want? Let's get it ready.
fight, I dedicate this fight to him. I was gonna rip his heart out. I'm the best ever. I'm the most brutal and vicious and most ruthless champion there's ever been. There's no one can stop me. Lynch is the conqueror. No, I'm Alexander. He's no Alexander. I'm the best ever. There's never been anybody ruthless. I'm Sonny Liston. I'm Jack Dempsey. There's no one like me. I'm from Nairclaw. There's no one that can match me. My style is impetuous. My defense is impregnable. And I'm just ferocious. I want your heart. I want even.
It's through the hallway, black Lambo, no passengers, black ski mask, chainsaw massacre, Q past me the AK-47, black eye, yellow tape the intersection, load the clips, lock 'em in, got a black 4-5, call it Pac's Revenge, I'm a motherfucking animal, Lil John B. Cannibal, every nigga in Atlanta know, I'm psycho, insane, about my cash, they could reopen out the trash, and sentence me to life without rehabilitation, fuck Governor Schwarzenegger, it's my statement. Dear Mr. President Barack Obama, right after you catch Osama, tell Mr. Russell, please let Oprah know that I won't ever stop saying bitch and hoe. I'm from the west side, I done paid my dues, and WA is back, this is front page news. Machiavelli the Dawn, that's what they tell me I'm on. I put my niggas up on it, now we America's most wanted. The west side, I done paid my dues, and WA is back, this is front page news. Machiavelli the Dawn, that's what they tell me I'm on. I put my niggas up on it, now we America's most wanted. Sick, thicker than most of these tricks. I got my mind on making